Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquaintance. 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 Acquaintance is a noun that signifies a person you know, but not intimately. It refers to someone with whom you have a passing or introductory familiarity, often due to meeting or interacting with them. Here are some examples. Example number 1. At social gatherings, we often make new acquaintances and expand our social circles. Why acquaintance is used in example number 1. Acquaintance relates to meeting new people in social settings. Example number 2. Many lifelong friendships begin as school acquaintances who shared classes and experiences. Why acquaintance is used in example number 2. Acquaintance describes fellow students in educational settings. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.